Hey guys, got a little piece of thermal paper here. If you want to know what I had for dinner last night. Yeah, we're just gonna see what happens whenever you put thermal paper in the microwave. So, ought to be interesting. Standing by for safety, of course. 10 seconds? About 10 seconds. Well, at 10 seconds, didn't do anything. So even if it was based on heat, doesn't seem to work on that kind of heat. Let's try it again for just a little bit longer, see what happens. Let's try 30 seconds. Let's see, is our paper done? Paper is warm but unchanged. A little bit see-through, but unchanged. So, that's our base. I'm not going to do it for any longer because I don't want to burn it. But, yep. Thermal paper versus microwave. Thermal paper wins.